Mamoko en ni Migao nindo mano mochunga ne wuodhe kata peini e pach kaendi Ntsa kaachiel koda manindo mano mar thieth ne oyango ni sekta mar thieth owinjore jiw kotenore koda wechego mar rango yorego ma oganda kata jotuo nyalo yudo godo thieth mapiyo kata emergency unit. Magi gin wechego mane ogol e kinde nyasi nindo mano mar sidho ayanga mokuom ambulances ma ibiro tigodo e neno ni jotuo koro ni to nyalo yudo thieth mawinjore e kindego makare.
There's a cadre that has been trained for this kind of work. We still don't have enough, but we had 5 EMTs at that time to be able to be used, plus a few nurses to be part of the pool that is going to help us with the emergencies.
Services. So it's looking at policies around pre-hospital, it's looking at infrastructure, and infrastructure here it's ambulances and emergency care centers. So far 12 counties have county dispatch centers that are coordinating their pre-hospital services. We have over 20 counties that have developed policies around pre-hospital care, and we also have 32 counties that have started including emergency healthcare services into their county budgets.